Hey, what's going on, guys? So, today we're going to be doing a video on how to make ESP for Roblox. This will work for any game. Alright, so first we're going to define some variables. So first we're going to create local game get service players, which is a service, and you have to do this or else it will not work. So we're gonna do that. Alright, so we're gonna do game, equals game. And now the local game get service players, which is a service players actually equals game get service players, which is a service dot players. Alright, so now that we do that, we're going to do game get service players, which I spelled the H wrong. Let me do that. Alright, is a service players actually, and then we're going to do dot player added, and then we're going to connect this, and it's going to be a function. Alright, in step 2, what we're going to do, we name this the new player that was added into the game and probably into the player folder. Alright, so now we're going to do the new player that was added into the game and probably into the player player folder, the character added. Then we're going to connect this into a function. We're going to name this the newest character. I spelled H wrong. The newest character added. And then we're going to do end, and then end again. Alright, and then now what we can do local drawing equals drawing dot new, and then local, we're going to name this drawing with a 2, and then we're going to do local drawing 3 equals drawing dot new square. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to loop to see if the player has a humanoid report. So what we're going to do is while wait do. Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to make it wrap. So quarantine.wrap function. So this will not stop the whole script. Alright. So we're going to do while wait do end. Alright, and once we do that, so basically what we're doing, we're wrapping it, so then it'll be faster, because when you wrap, it's faster. I'm stacking it, put it in the back of it. Alright, so now, while wait do, we're gonna check if the newest character added, find first child, humanoid root part, then then, and then what we're gonna do, print, yeah, they got a humanoid root part. Alright, so now we know they have it, and then what we're gonna do, we're going to create something, and then we're gonna create an instance so that we know it's there. Instance.new. We're gonna create a folder because we want to have it organized, and we're just gonna make this in workspace. And let's actually create a variable, the new folder in workspace, and we're gonna do the new folder in workspace.name equals yes. So doing yes, that means it's always active, so it'll keep the ESP enabled. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is, so we go here and we're gonna do local name that the player has equals drawing dot new text. Alright, so now we're just gonna scroll down and do, okay, name that the player has dot text equals, and then we're gonna make it the player, the newest, wait, let me move this, wait, oh, I have to fix the H, the newest player, wait, newest, no, it's the new player that was added into the game and probably into the player folder dot name. Alright, so now when we do that, what we're gonna do, local the position in the 2-dimensional space, and then we're gonna do if they are on screen equals workspace. Wait, no, we have to do game get service players, which is a service dot workspace, and then what we do is we're going to do dot current camera world to viewport point, and then what we're going to do, oh wait, let me fix this, to the, alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get this the newest character added. So now we do this, and that's just us checking. I'm going to make that just not no. Alright, so then we're going to do this and dot position. Alright, if, let me fix this. If they are on screen, then name that the player has the visible equals true. Name that the player has the position equals the position, and let's do that. Alright, so now we're going to make this a loop. Alright, coroutine.wrap function, and then right here, get down. Alright, so now we're gonna get that, and we're gonna do while true do. Put an end right here. I'm gonna make a wait, so then it does not crash you. Alright, so then we're gonna create an else. Name that the player has dot visible equals false. And we're also gonna check and the character actually exists. So we're gonna do the newest character added. Alright, so now we're going to see how this works. Well, let's see what errors we got. Oh, line 1. Expected do when got loop. Okay, so what happened is, so wait, line 1 expected do while parsing while loop. Alright, so what we have to do, hold on, I have to itch. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find this, No, that should be fine. Oh, ignore that. Oh wait, it's this one. Um, invalid argument 1 on line 5. Okay. So now we have to create this as a line because line 5 has an error, as you can see. And then we have to make this toString and this. Then we also have to make the player's name is, and then we have to do that because that's how many players there are. Alright. And this does make sense if you are more of an experienced type of person, you know. So when a player gets added, this will do it. But what we also need to do, we need to do this. Copy this. Alright. For player that will be added in pairs. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Game get service play. Wait, let me zoom down. Players, which is a. We're gonna do this. Alright. Get the children, and the children are the ones you want. Do player. I'm gonna just paste this in here, and then we're gonna replace the newest character added. Oh, and we have to do dot humanoid root part. Dot humanoid root part. As you can see, it's saying that it's constantly updating because it's true, as you can tell. Alright, and now we have to follow step number 2. Okay, step number 2. We have all this. We also have to... Okay. So step 2, there is nothing called this. So we're just gonna do player that. Okay. Alright, ignore me highlighting, that's not actually gonna matter. So now we can get rid of this stuff. Humanoid report is not a valid member. Oh, because we have to get the player, and then we have to do dot character, and then dot character. Alright, so as you can see, it's working really well because the ESP is showing up very well in the test we're currently doing. Alright, so now we can customize this into working very, very well. So now we're going to do name that the player has dot size equals 32, and you have to do 32 so it bypasses the 32-bit bifron so it doesn't copy it. Alright, name that the player has dot color equals color3.new, and you have to hack it by doing 111 111 111 because that's the byte code that you need for it to work. But you also do from RGB because the LGB isn't accepted in this. Alright, and then we go here and paste it here. And as you can see, it's now bypassing bifron. But we have to change the font so it doesn't loop anymore. Player has dot font equals 3. We have to do 3 because as you can see, there's 3 people in the game. It doesn't matter how many people, but 3 is the requirement for LUA, if you didn't know. Alright, and there you go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a like, because I'm going to make more tutorials for you guys. So if you like them, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.